Are you selling information products or marketing as an affiliate online? This message is for you. Maybe you've already heard about the Clickbank marketplace, or maybe you haven't. If you're not familiar with it, Clickbank is one of the largest online marketplaces for digital products worldwide. Basically, you sign up as an affiliate, find an offer, grab your affiliate link, and start promoting. Their catalog spans a seemingly endless pool of topics, niches, products, and more. Because of this, you can easily find the right offer to promote in your business. The bigger issue is, how do you go about marketing these offers properly to make you some money? Well, now there's a solution for you. The brief but super informative Clickbank affiliate marketing course details all of the essentials that you need to know. You'll learn not just how to get started, but how to market these offers to see the actionable results. Regardless of if you're new to affiliate marketing or a veteran, this course will give your efforts the juice they need to succeed. Best of all, if you take action now, you can gain access for 100% free. Just grab your copy using the button on the page below.